we'll go over up and I will show you the fruits of dwarf apples as you can see over there. So we'll go from here. We'll walk from here to up. Oh, you see, now it's ready now to eat this one. This is a combination of sweet and sour. As you can see, too much apples. And this is the tree, and that is our house over down. And today is July 8th, and today is Tuesday. Time check Pakistan time is 11:25 p.m. and I think rain is coming again. So before rain starts, so I make video here. As you can see, too much apple and some falling down also. Yan. So we can go up also, so we can see the fruits up. Oh, ayan, oh. Oh. So we go up from here. Now I'm here up, and they put umbrella here because at night time, I think Changider, I don't know what that in English, that one who is eating fruits. Yeah, that's why last night I think they're afraid to come here because they put umbrella here. Oh, you can see too much apples. Mashallah. Oh, oh, grabe. Daming mga apple, mansanas. Oh. And this kind of apple is another variety of apple. It will be harvested by September, but this one it's almost ready now to eat this one. Some are big and some are small because in one place too much apples. Yan, oh, kumpul-kumpul ba? Yan, oh. Abundance fruits of dwarf apples, as you can see, and this is already ready to eat. This combination of sweet and sour, and they put umbrella here because at night time, this they call it changider or bat, that one who is eating fruits. Yan, so many fruits from down, no, from every side. Now we can get apples fresh from the tree, yung maabot lang, and then direct to eat. Ayan, oh. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sweet and sour. And then I will get also ito yung paglagyan ko. is easy to get, I will get. Mm. Ang dami. Ito yung cow nila na nanganak last month. Yun yung anak niyo. Ayan. Ano din, lalaki yata ito. Ayan. So, kukuha na tayo ng ano, mansanas. Ayan. Yung mga nahuhulog, gaya nun, yung maliliit, pinapakain yan sa ano, sa buffalo. Kaya kambing. Kambing namin. Kaya kumukuha ako dito pag umaga, maraming ano na huhulog. Kasi ngayon ano na 12, mag 12 na. So kukuha ako ng ano, pangkain pa. Balatan ko ito, tapos ano, slice. Yan. Yung maabot ko lang ang kukunin ko. Ay. Dami oh. May malalaki, may maliliit. Kasi ano, kumpul-kumpul ba? Kaya maliliit yung ano, kumpul-kumpul. Gaya niyan, oo. Kumpul pero maliliit. May maliliit, may malalaki. Ayan, ang dami. Dito tayo sa ano. Yan. Kuha ako dito. Yan. O, yan. Ayan, may nahulog. Kinain ng baka. Yung malapit sa kanya nahulog, kinakain. Doon at ano, wag mo akong sungayin. Pero mabait itong baka na ito. Ayan, medyo malaki oh. Ayan oh. Yan, kunin ko na lang yung nahulog. Pakain namin sa kambing. Ayan. Kambing namin ilan yung kambing namin? 8. Yung kaya ko lang abutin ang kukunin ko. Yung ano ba, red lang. Ay. Harvest tayo, fresh from the tree. Ay. coming. Ayan yung ano, yung tubig. Ayan, naririnig nyo. Ang tubig galing doon sa ano, kung saan doon sila kahit dinala niya yung kambing at the same time, ano din, open niya din itong water. Ayan. Dito kasi namin nilagay ang tangke. So I think that is enough. Malapit lang naman. If finish din, I will get again. Ayan. So tama na ito. Now I will go down. This one only our house. Down. Oh. Kaya malapit lang. Ay. This is only I get fresh from the tree. So what I will do is I have to wash this one and then I will slice it. Let's eat apples, everyone. Then we put some salt. Bisikan natin. Sprinkle with salt. Because it's more tasty if there is salt. Bismillah, wala barakatila. And this one for goals.